Thank you, thank you.
किसी को मौका ही नहीं मिल पाता आप
I'm wearing
सामने टेकने को।
I'm wearing Monisha Jaising tonight, and I'm really glad because it's the color of Reebok, red on a red carpet, and it's the color of the season.
You know, when it comes to fitness, your name tops the chart. What has been your fitness mantra ever since you started?
Well, I think for me, fitness is not just about going to a gym and picking up weights. For me, fitness is a lifestyle. I enjoy being fit. I enjoy the fact that I can, and for me, it's a mind, body, soul sort of a thing. So if I'm fit in my mind and body, I think it's a great combination together.
क्या था वो? Fit to fight. Just tell us views on this.
Well, firstly, I'm really happy that I can be part of the Reebok family, the Reebok Fit to Fight Awards 2017. It's a wonderful initiative, and we're here to felicitate and award wonderful women from various fields who have an amazing story and to tell, who fought really hard from various circumstances, and I think more than anything, I think their journeys are really inspiring.
New Year's, you're performing this year.
No, New Year's is with my family.
Okay. Any plans for the New Year's? A particular plan?
Gee, there are no plans really. I think Christmas, New Year's always with the family, and I think that's exactly what I'll be doing.
Good evening to you, and sorry to keep you waiting, and you have been so kind to and patient to allow us.
Thank you.
Appreciate.
Thank you.
Can you just tell us about this campaign and about this evening?
I see they're honoring 12 women from 12 women from different walks of life, including a 74-year-old samurai who's won the Bharat Ratna. There's the only woman to be training the Indian Army as well. So I'm very happy to associate with causes like this, as you know. And it's all about women's empowerment and women's will to be fighters.
रिचा आप हमेशा ही मतलब बड़े ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मुद्दों पे अपने विचार व्यक्त करती रहती हैं और अपना समर्थन देती हैं। ऐसा कौन सा मुद्दा है जिसके आप फाइट करना चाहेंगी?
मैं एक्चुअली मुझे फाइट करना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, पर मुझसे इनजस्टिस नहीं देखी जाती।
अभी ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है जिसको आपको लगता है कि आप उठाना चाहोगे?
कभी आपको फाइट करना हो पड़ा हो?
बॉलीवुड से मुझे फाइट नहीं मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा। क्या बोला?
कुछ नहीं, मैंने बोला कि लाइक यस प्लीज।
यस प्लीज। अच्छा।
Anything would you like to take new initiative?
Actually, between my current initiatives, I don't have time, and I have a film releasing tomorrow.
Yes, exactly.
Woohoo!
What are the plans on Inside Edge? It is such an amazing series.
Oh, thank you so much. The second season will start in the early next year, and then we will see it's become very popular. So Amazon is also very excited, and we are very excited, Excel and Amazon, to partner with them again.
Ma'am, right? Sangna ma'am. Sangna here. Ma'am.
This look.
Kangna, when it comes to fitness, what is your mantra?
My mantra is to stay healthy, do yoga and eat vegetarian food. That's pretty much what I rely on, but I like to do ballet and riding as well. Horseback riding. Hi Sumit, how are you?
Epitome of glamour.
Thank you.
Fit to fight. Can you just elaborate on this and would you like to share your views on this?
Well, fit to fight is obviously the tagline of Reebok, लेकिन Reebok ये सिर्फ कहते ही नहीं हैं लेकिन करते भी हैं। जिस तरह से ये एक स्टेप हमेशा आगे रहने की कोशिश करते हैं, जिस तरह से ये जो विनर्स हैं आज इनको फेलिसिटेट करा जाएगा, ये ऐसे हीरोज़ हैं जो कि कुछ इनमें से काफ़ी अनसंग हीरोज़ हैं जिनके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जानते हैं, तो उनको दुनिया के सामने इन स्टोरीज़ को लाया जाता है। और पिछली बार हमने जिन हीरोज़ को ऑनर किया था, आज वो प्रोमिनेंट स्टोरीज़ हैं ऑफ हीरोइज़म इन आवर सोसाइटी। तो ये जो इनके एफ़र्ट्स हैं बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ़ हैं, और इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा अवार्ड शोज़ में जाती नहीं हूँ, और इसलिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आभारी हूँ कि इन्होंने मुझे आज इस अनकन्वेंशनल अवार्ड शो में बुलाया।
Honoring people who are fit to fight. So, yay. I'm here this is the first year I'm here, so looking forward to seeing what it's all about.
don't get into controversies and I try to stay away. And जब ये incident हुआ था, when we were there were other fans and media के भी आप में से कुछ लोग थे, तो I thought it was not the right place to say anything. शायद मुझे तभी कुछ कहना चाहिए था, but I didn't. I just let it go. I said, forget it. Let's not speak about this and make it a mess. But फिर उन्होंने फिर से वो सवाल दोहराया, and I hate when people repeat. तो बार-बार if someone saying the same thing, so he said, and then he said कि आप movies में kiss करते हो, so why don't you kiss me? And मैंने तभी भी बात, I left it. I let it go. I didn't say anything. But then Twitter पे he started getting these other fans of mine, जो लड़कियाँ हैं, जो 8th standard की 7th standard की लड़कियाँ हैं. He started saying that it's so wrong. All I asked for was गालों पे एक puppy, and that's not even such a big deal. So then I got a little agitated about it, and I thought that I should tweak my mind. And since Twitter is a public platform and you can tell people what you think, I thought it was a good place to put my thoughts out. So
फिल्मों की बात करें तो किसमें नजर आएगी आपको?
I'm currently shooting for a Tamil film opposite Prabhudeva. It's called Charlie Chaplin 2.
Okay.
So we just shot a song in Goa and a dance now.
Opposite with Prabhudev?
Yeah, with
How was the
Prabhudev.
experience like?
Wow, very wow. I think all my years of dancing and all my years of mehnat. I hope you all will like the song.
Okay, is it intimidating to dance?
I was just very excited, so I think that excitement killed everything else. But I didn't sleep the night before, and I was awake, and I was really, really excited. And we went on set without rehearsal for some reason.
Hi guys. Hi. Thank you.
What do you like to know about today?
It's a great initiative. I think I always enjoy when people celebrate women, and in this case, some really wonderful, powerful women that we are celebrating tonight.
कभी बॉलीवुड में फाइट करना पड़ा किसी से या आपने?
बॉलीवुड में फाइट नहीं यार. जब नए आए थे तब आपको 2 साल बहुत फाइट थी to get that first film. But since then, I think journey has been quite smooth.
And how is your leg?
Leg is doing better, much better. I think 10 more days and I'll be out of this scratch.
आपके वेब सीरीज पोस्ट का काफी अच्छा रिस्पांस
Yeah.
है. नेक्स्ट क्या देखेंगे?
Next, Abhi, I'm shooting for Fanne Khan right now, so that should definitely come out. And then there's film with Hansal sir, Hansal Mehta, which is called Omerta. So that we'll also be releasing it early next year.
Rajkumar, have you started filming with Aishwarya Rai?
Yeah, we've started with. I've resumed my shoot now. Yeah,
How's it going?
it's going very good. Yeah, we were shooting when it was, of course, crazily raining here, but we were there. We were shooting. Because we have to finish our schedule.
We are all eagerly waiting to see the chemistry between you and Aishwarya.
Me too. I'm also eagerly
How was the
waiting.
first shot like? If you could just...
All well, yeah. I think it's me, Anil sir, and Ash. I think both these people are really amazing and really talented. So I'm having a great time.
Right. Awards पे awards जीतते जा रहे हैं आप. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
How happy is the feeling like and how grateful do you feel?
It's a great feeling, of course, when somebody appreciates your work and they like your effort. So it's a great feeling, and it really inspires me to work harder.
A film with Shraddha Kapoor has been announced.
Yeah.
Tell us more about it. It's a new genre that you'll be trying.
I'm not supposed to talk about it right now. It's a horror comedy. It's a one of its kind, and I really like the script. That's the reason, of course, both of us said yes to it. We're gonna start shooting probably by Jan end, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm hopeful.
It's a twist with a new genre, right? You've done horror,
Yes.
but not
I've done horror, but not the horror comedy part.
What
Yeah.
kind of preparation would be there?
It's still some time there because I'm right now shooting for Fanne Khan, so my whole energy is in Fanne Khan. Thanks a lot. Thank you guys.
हाँ जी, लेकिन आप उधर आ जाओ ना ताकि मैं आपको देख पाऊँ. ओके चलो.
आप अपने जो एक्टिंग का जो अंदर का वो है ना इंसान उसको जगा के आप ऐसे जवाब दीजिए.
ओके.
You are the toast of the town these days, है ना? हर जगह मतलब आपके बिना कोई भी समारोह पूरा नहीं हो पा रहा है.
Okay, thank you so much. हम toast events पे, so I guess it's good that I'm toast of the town right now.
कुछ मैं बताएंगी काफी अच्छा इन लोगों का ये इनिशिएटिव है, उद्देश्य है.
बिल्कुल, I think ज़माना ऐसा है where women should be celebrated, and especially women that go out of their way to break any kind of boundaries, that really take any kind of initiative. Such women should be celebrated and that break stereotypes. I think I've always been all about breaking stereotypes, so I'm very happy to be here supporting them, supporting Reebok, supporting Harshad. What a fantastic thing they've put together.
ये Fit to Fight कैंपेन आप किसी से फाइट करना चाहते हो तो किस चीज़ से आप फाइट करना चाहेंगे?
I think
subconsciously, as women especially living in India today, you're already fighting a lot of things that are not right. I'm a part of those women, I'm a part of that group, so yeah, together we will definitely turn this country into a way, way, way better place for women to be.
Right, Shaya?
Look center. Guys, I can't really say much about Sonchiriya because that's just the way it is, but it's a very, it's a difficult film and we are really gearing up to shoot it, and Abhishek has been on my wish list of directors to work with, so I'm extremely excited about working with him.